Hello everybody, my name is Ismael Campos. Now we're going to show you how to use flipsnaks. First we go to your website and we go to search for flipsnaks. After we get the flipsnaks, we go to click here in login. For use this tool, we go to use a document. We have to go to use PDF. We go to upload here, PDF. And we'll go to click here and upload files. This is a document that I made before, so we go to make and open. We go to wait for upload the document, and we want to put here in next. As you can see, it's easy to use. All that we need is a document in PDF, and you have to put the parts that we want to put in each page. As you can see, if you click here, you can see many parts. It's okay. If you want to change the color of this page, you have to make it in your file. You can make it in Word and save it in PDF. But when you are making your work, you have to change this color. It's easy. If you want to change this color, then now it's like gray. If you want to change, you can go to this palette and change. You can put anyone. Here you can change your layout style, your tooltip of language, but you have to pay. If you want to put here, you have to pay. You better use this one. This is free. It's okay. Now, when you finish and you think that it's ready your job, you have to go here and publish. And you will see many places. This is the title, description, category. If you want to this document be public or private. If you want to change the data, but you have to pay. So make your job with time. In this title, I put flipsnaks. I don't know. And this is second language acquisition. So category. You can see the can find many. We want to put comics. Now if we want to change, I can change. And when you finish, you go to this button, the green button. This is publish now. You go to click here. Now it's easy. As you can see, it's easy. You're ready. And have you already have your work. If you want to allow here, you will go to click here or share, and this is the link that you will go to share. You can copy. And now you can send it for anybody, and this place you can send it through email. That depends what you want to do. Now I will go to show you how to edit. Here, as you can see, again, and we go to the main page where you can change your things, your color, or is something wrong. It's easy. Now next. Yeah, now if you want to change comic or description or title, I think that it's easy. I hope you can understand what I said, and have a good night. See you.